was waking up and my whole room was just like shaking. I thought it was a dream or something, and then everyone messaged me going, what the hell happened? It was just crazy. It all happened at once, yeah.
Well, I live just a couple of streets up from here, and I was in my apartment, and all of a sudden everything started to shake. And I wasn't sure. I thought the neighbours upstairs were doing a high-intensity workout. And, the TV was really moving. And I looked outside, and from my balcony, you could see the other buildings moving as well, and the power line shaking. And I thought it might have been something to do with the ground. But, didn't know it was an earthquake.